Hi, and welcome to E3 Strength. If you're like me and everyone with a busy schedule, you probably want to get in better shape, but have a hard time fitting in your workouts. That's why we created this and all of the Workout Wednesday programs found in the description below. My name is Earl, and I'm briefly going to describe all the exercises that you guys can use to burn fat and build muscle at home starting today. Let's get after it. Our workout, like usual, starts with a warm-up. We're going to warm up your hips and your shoulders with a Spider-Man with shoulder mobility. You're going to start on all fours, step right foot by right hand or left foot by left hand, and really drop those hips toward the floor. That's going to open everything up. And then from there, you're doing two moves. You're going to do a front raise to work on the shoulders, and then you're going to do a T-spine rotation to open up your thoracic spine and loosen the lumbar spine. Exercise A of your first superset is a walking lunge with a static lateral. Now, we're not using weight, so all you're going to do is hold your arms laterally as you do a walking lunge. This is going to help for balance, but really fatigue your shoulders, getting you set up for your row that's going to follow this up. Your next exercise is going to require a little creativity, and that's why I'm holding two gym towels. If you know anything about TRX suspension trainers, you might have heard the story of a Navy SEAL who created that apparatus with, I think, a belt and some paracord. So for today's purposes and for you guys, you're going to use a beach towel or home towel. Since we only have gym towels to work with, we're going to tie two gym towels together and then hook them in the door behind me. So we're going to be doing single arm rows. So once you get this locked into place, find a shallow angle, and that's why you guys are going to do an AMRAP, or as many reps as possible, for 30 seconds. Once you get that small angle, work on squeezing your shoulder blades toward the spine for 30 seconds, getting as many reps as you possibly can with good form to activate the right muscles and to not fall down. This is going to work great on your grip strength. After 30 seconds, you're going to repeat for 30 seconds on your other arm before repeating the overall superset that started with those static lateral lunges. So the first exercise of your giant set, B1, is going to be an overhead squat. This is a great exercise because whenever you raise your arms overhead, you raise your center of gravity and make your squat feel like you're holding weight. Also, this really pre-fatigues the shoulders, so that way when you get to your curls next, you're going to be a little more tired in your arms. This next exercise is the second of your giant set, B2, and it's a two-arm door towel row. We're going back to our homemade suspension trainer. You're going to grab this with two arms, spread out your towel a little bit, and grab evenly. This is going to allow you guys to do curls. Get that same angle that you did rows with, work on getting a nice tight squeeze and controlling your negative. Up and down, and again, we're doing an AMRAP, as many reps as possible for 30 seconds, so that you guys can get the most out of this without working at too hard of an angle and chancing an injury by hitting the ground. The last exercise in this giant set is a bear crawl, and it's as simple as it sounds. We're going to do this, and you guys are going to see my profile, so you can see that we keep the knees off the ground the whole time, and always try to move opposite hand, opposite leg. That is the trickiest part. That's how your body's naturally designed to move. But when we're crawling, which is something we haven't done since we were about yay high, it seems kind of foreign. So it's going to be a little tricky. Be patient, take your time. For our last superset, we paired together two core exercises which complement each other very well. It's going to be a V-sit and a V-up. You're going to try to go from one directly to the other. Your V-sit is chest up, hands and feet off the ground the best of your ability. You're going to hold this for 30 seconds. As soon as you're done, you're going into a V-up. So you're going to drop and then try to meet your legs at the middle of your body directly over your pelvis. And as you can hear by the shakiness in my voice, it's easier said than done. That'll complete all of the main exercises for this workout. If you've ever done any of our workouts before, you may notice that they're getting more challenging. One example of that is today's finisher, the 180-degree mountain climber. It's just as fun as it sounds. Get started with a traditional mountain climber and then start moving 90 degrees at a time until you've completed 180 degrees. Once you've done that, you've got one. Your goal is to do that 4 times. We appreciate you guys watching. We hope that this workout has been beneficial and you guys are going to use it to start getting in shape. If it has, give us a like, a comment, or a share, and let us know what we can do to help you guys achieve your goals. Thanks.